Get a load of these guys. They're playing a game together, but they're not even talking or interacting with each other. I got a solution for this. So this is Pieces of 8. Pieces of 8 is a pirate-themed multi-device party game, where players collect as much loot as they can during a round by pillaging loot ships and fighting each other, while avoiding the navies. There is a communal screen where all players can see the entire game, and each player's device shows where they are, what they've got, and the mini-games they're playing. Pieces of 8 has 3-minute rounds, where 3 to 6 players play at once. Before playing each round, players will be able to choose a special crew member for their ships. These special crew members give players different attributes that will help them in the game, for example in combat or for speed. These special crew members are the experienced captain, gunpowder expert, merchant, and privateer. The attributes vary from gaining movement speed to maneuverability to stealing more money from loot ships, and also the ability to not get attacked by the navy. To get loot, players can go after loot ships, battle against each other, or find the treasure hiding on the map. When players battle each other, they play one of 2 mini-games, and the winner takes half of the loser's money. The first game is a fierce cannon battle, and the second is a fast-paced 3-button fighter. At random intervals throughout the game, a red X will mark the spot of treasure on the communal map. The treasure is an instant gold boost. This X will only show for a very short time, however, so if players are staring at their screen, they might miss it. Players have the option of spending some of their gold on a copy of the treasure map, displaying the direction of the X on their own device. The intended users for the game are those in a party setting, with each player having a computer, laptop, or newer generation mobile device. The intended settings for the game are parties, get-togethers, and anywhere where there's people ready to play games. With Pieces of 8, the goal is to entertain and create a fun and competitive atmosphere.
So how to play the game? Firstly, a user, usually the host of the party, will first use a common device, preferably a tablet or computer, connected to the TV and set up the communal screen. This can be done by clicking the host button. The user can then create a name for the game too. The communal screen is now set up when you see the lobby screen. So from here, up to 3 to 6 players can join the game using their own phones and tablets, which will definitely be brought to the party. Players, including the host, who also needs to use another device, join the game by clicking the join button at the main screen. So once players have joined, they will then be able to choose a specialty crew member that will give them distinct attributes. Once players have chosen their special crew members, they will then click ready. Once all the players in the lobby are ready, the game will automatically start. Here, players have the freedom to strategize their own paths through the map, whether to specifically go after loot ships or look for other players to battle against each other. All of the players will have to refer to the main communal screen to know each other's positions. The loot ships and navies will also appear in the communal screen. Both the communal and the player screen will show information about the current gold looted of each player. When the game ends, players will be able to see a recap of their score, and the winner is definitely the player who managed to collect the most pieces of it.
Pieces of 8 will be developed for PCs, Mac OS X, tablets, iOS, and Android.
So we're a crew of designers and developers who wanted to make a game that creates a fun and competitive atmosphere among friends. So this is Pieces of 8. Come and support us at the Design and Build exhibition. Details about the event will be in the description box below.
Thanks.
Thank you.